I'm Alvin Tejada. I'm a sustainability consultant and also an architect by profession. Bamboo had appealed to me for many years already. I've been chasing bamboo architecture, places where they have bamboo as a showcase, and I've been trying to learn a lot of it, taking books and online, but there's nothing like a hands-on experience. That's why I wanted to be into something that I can really put my hands into and experience the actual bamboo construction. Well, I find it as a complete immersion, if you may call that, into bamboo. Learning from propagation to its wide application, then how to design bamboo, and into the actual build. I'd use the word immersion, something that you get the real thing. A diversity of people can be part of this Bamboo Bootcamp. It's not really exclusive to any group, but I'd say that anyone who would like to pursue sustainability, go back to nature, or simply have business to pursue, so they can all gather. Bamboo is beautiful in its rawness and in its finished form.